Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll explain you how to get AliExpress coupon code. The easiest way is to open AliExpress application on your phone and go to your account at the bottom right and enter coupons section. It looks like this coupon icon, and here you can see store coupons that are eligible only for specific seller and AliExpress coupons that are usable on the whole AliExpress. So these are the coupons that I was talking about, and also you can go to some item, for example this one, and if I scroll a little bit down I can check if it has some coupon codes. So coupon codes look like text that is highlighted red. So if I tap here I can see those two coupons that the seller offers me for this exact item. But before using it, you need to make sure that you meet some criteria. So for example, if I want to have $1 off, I need to spend at least $8. So in order to use it, I need to copy this coupon code and then proceed to checkout page. And here scroll down to section promo codes. Here tap enter and basically enter your code, and do not forget to apply it. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.